Hey, look here. Anybody owns a Chrysler T&C? Uh, this body style here, mine's 2013. And you hear rattling in the dash. You don't know what it is. You pull this dash cover off here. Let me show you. All it has is pop rivets. And you pull this dash cover off, and that's what's making the noise. You see these little tabs are barely stuck on anymore. The adhesive has worn out on them, and they sit there and they flap around in the wind down underneath the dashboard or dash cover there. And so I can tell you, I for one am happy to find out it was just something stupid like that. But it was driving me nuts. I was looking for like leaves in the grill, and I was trying to feel around for a speaker wire, and to find out it was just this stupid little piece of paper, one on each side, just flap around, making noise. What a pain in the dick. Who would have ever thought? But hopefully that helps somebody else out. And hey, if I find more shit wrong with this van as I drive it and fix it, I'll pass on the information. So thanks for watching. Take it easy.